Hi, today's topic is Erie insurance. We help cover your life better auto insurance. Whether it's a minivan with 8 seats, a sporty coupe with two, or even a motorcycle, we can help you protect it. Find out more about the extras that are available with an Erie Auto Policy, diversity, equity, and inclusion at Erie. As a society, we have been faced with unprecedented and uncertain times. However, what is not uncertain at Erie is our culture of dignity and respect founded in our core values and emblematic of our belief system. We share it with you as we stand together in the desire to create communities where all of us can be safe not just from a virus but from violence and hate. At Erie, we believe in and promote an atmosphere of mutual respect. We strive to create an environment where customers, agents, and employees reflect the diversity of the communities where we all live and work. Put simply, we are committed to following the golden rule and treating all people with dignity and respect regardless of many factors, including but certainly not limited to race, ethnicity, gender, age, disability, sexual orientation, and gender identity. Let's check there about let's check their history. Our history, Erie Insurance started out with the vision of two men to create an insurance company like no other one. The emphasized customer service above all else. This is the story of that vision, the journey that took Erie from its humble roots in 1925 to a Fortune 500 company with over 6,000 employees and 6 million policies in force today. The beginning of founders, two men with a dream, both worked at the Pennsylvania Indemnity Exchange PIE from 1922 to 1924, but were not happy with the pay and condition. By fall 1924. The wheels were in motion to start their own company. When they resigned from the PIE, the company had to hire 6 salesmen to replace them. Henry Worthart, H.O. Hart, was a legend in his own time. Truly, he was one of 5 children born to Frank and Sarah Hart in Erie, Pennsylvania. After putting himself through Wittenberg College, he began a career as a teacher, but after a couple of years, HO's teaching came to a halt when he contracted tuberculosis. After beating the deadly disease, H.O. worked a series of jobs and even brought a fledgling grocery store back to being a profitable, but the hard physical labor was not good for his health, and he left the grocery business to take a sales job at the Pennsylvania Indemnity Exchange. It's there the meet Koji Ford, and together they started to build the idea of starting a mutual insurance company. Sorry, they resigned in December 1924 and began organizing the Erie Insurance Exchange. It was watched the company flourish and work well into its 80s. Erie Insurance, the early years. The two founders, H.O. Hirt and O.G. Crawford, had a plan which they worked on a 10-cent tablet, today's equivalent of a business prospectus, but they needed money. It took 3 months and 20 days, about the length of one Erie winter, to raise the $31,000 they needed, winning over 90 stockholders with their handwritten business plan, their tenacity, and their true belief in what they were about to do. On April 20, 1925, and the Erie Insurance Exchange was born. One of the first policies written was on HOS on Dodge touring car. The company's mantra became the Erie's above all in service, with the Erie raised in the World Service that still serves the company's tagline today. Evidence of this service was that customers were encouraged to call, collect, and if a policyholder had a problem with a claim, he or she could make a phone call directly to HO Head. After only 3 years, Erie was already expanding. A second office was opened in Pittsburgh in 1928. The company took its first step outside of Pennsylvania in 1953 when it opened a branch in Silver Spring, Maryland. At the same time, it was expanding its territories. It also expanded its products offerings. In 1934, Erie introduced the superstandard auto policy. It included many features that have since become industry standards. Fire insurance was added in 1940 and inland marine in 1954. So today's video is finished. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Bye bye.